My name is Mark Chesergon. I'm the chairman, Kerio Valley Development Authority. Today I've led a team of board members to this site of West Pokot in Takwel Multipurpose Dam, a site that is managed by the authority, KVDA, and also to visit proposed site for a stage lot by the government. As we know that we have been KVDA mandate is to work with the people in this northern part of the region for issues that regards sustainable development. And today I've led a team to visit a proposed site for a state lodge. And first I want to appreciate the government for considering this site, because that will spur development activities in the region and also will bring close interaction with the leadership and the locals in this region of the northern part of the Kenya. And as a board, we welcome it, and we want to appreciate His Excellency the President for considering this site.
The Managing Director of Kerio Valley Development Authority. Today I have accompanied the board led by the Honorable Chairman of the board on a reconnaissance survey on Takwel Dam, but mainly also to visit other programs and projects that are currently ongoing in West Pokot. We have programs on water security and food security, especially the irrigation schemes, because this area is bestowed with a lot of rivers that if well utilized, then they will be able to be food sufficient in this part of the country. Of course, there are plans to establish a state lodge at Takwel Dam, which the board has come to appreciate, and we'll see how we can support and accelerate the process for the benefit of the great people of this particular region.